Hi there, welcome to this next step on how to make your URL look smaller. So I'm just going to share my page with you. So you remember in the last video that the website URL was quite a long one. So we want to be sure that we can change that to something a little bit smaller. So make sure you highlight the whole lot, right click, copy it, and then type into Google tiny url.com. So, okay, yeah, accept. So copy and paste that link in there, and now you can shorten the link. So here we go, you just copy that link. So your URL is this small, right? You do not need to create an account. You can just put it in there and you've got a shorter URL. So if I go into a new page, click on paste, so tiny URL, and then all of a sudden you click that, you end up with this. So I hope that helps you out, guys. I will put the link into the guide as well, so you can make sure that I'll make everything clickable, so then you can just click and then copy and paste your link and put it in there. So make sure you do this and make sure you cover up that link and then save it somewhere, okay guys, because that link there will be perfect to, like, maybe grab a Google document which is free and it will automatically save. Just put your Aweber capture page link in there, and then you can just go back and copy and paste it when you're sending it out to people. Okay, so if you want people, if you're going to get solo ads or anything like this, then I suggest that you take that tiny URL and you put it to them. You say, this is my URL. Okay, so on that note, guys, thank you very much for watching this Aweber training. I've showed you how to do the snippets, the text, the reason why, what Aweber account to go for, and the reason why for that, and you can just go ahead and create everything that you need to create now. Okay, so go ahead, do that, and then get it done. So no time like the present.